The easiest Masoor Dal recipe ever. It's my mom's recipe and an absolute favorite comfort food. You'll be able to make this delicious dal perfectly, even if you're only a beginner. Let's make it. Hello, welcome to my kitchen. Do subscribe for easy, tried and tested recipes. Wash 3/4 cups of Masoor Dal, orange or red lentil, and then pressure cook for one whistle or cook until just done. In a pan, heat 2 tablespoons of mustard oil, sarson ka tel. Add in a thinly sliced medium-sized onion. Stir for a few seconds and then add in a bit of salt. Now cook stirring continuously until the onions turn light brown in color. Add in half a teaspoon of grated garlic. Cook this on low heat till the raw smell goes away. Add in a few slices of tomato and cook till the tomato becomes soft and mushy. Add half a teaspoon turmeric, haldi powder, mix well and cook briefly. Now pour in the cooked dal or lentils. Mix well to combine everything. Bring to a boil. Adjust the seasoning. Add green chilies, whole or slit. Cover and cook on medium heat for 3 minutes. Let's check on it. The green chilies have done their job. Some chopped coriander, hara dhania, and that smells good. If you like the video, share it with your friends and write your feedback in the comment section. A drizzle of ghee, skip it if you're vegan. A bit more of coriander before serving. Give it a final mix. Serve this dal with rice or chapati along with some onion and a wedge of lime. Enjoy!